Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your BMO Harris bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL bmoharris.com. Once you get into the website, click on the sign in button at the top right and click on the type of account you're trying to log into. After you do that, you'll be forwarded to this page and enter your credentials that you use to log into your BMO Harris bank. So enter your user ID and password. Once you enter your information, click on sign in button in order to log into your BMO Harris bank. But if you do not have an account, click on register to create one. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on forgot user ID or forgot password. Once you fill in all your information, click on sign in button in order to log into your BMO Harris bank. So there you have it. That's how you log into your BMO Harris bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.